Yeah, hey, so in this video we're going to do the integral of tangent x and show that it is indeed the natural log of secant x. So to begin with, we need to remember that the integral, or the definition of tangent x is the sine over cosine. So we're going to rewrite the integral of tangent x dx as the integral of sine x divided by cosine x. Now, oftentimes you don't want that, that looks like it's more confusing because it's a fraction, and you typically don't want to integrate fractions. However, in this case, it lends itself to two easier functions to work with, sine and cosine, and it could be a u substitution problem, because if we let u equals one of these guys, I'm going to let u equals cosine x, then the derivative of cosine would just give me negative sine x, and that's good news. So we're going to say u equals cosine x, and the derivative of u then is negative sine x dx. And I'm saying that's good news because that is the exact same as the numerator here, except for there's one symbol that we're going to have to accommodate for. So we're just going to stick that negative on the left side. So we'll write negative du equals sine x dx, and we'll be finished with that one. So negative du equals sine x dx. So there we go. Alright, so the integral or equals integral, let's say the negative out front, we'll put 1 over u, and all of this becomes du. The integral of 1 over u is just natural log, so negative natural log of whatever u was. U is cosine x, cosine x. Alright, so here's a little trick, and this is from Algebra 2, right? If I have a p in front of a log, then I can raise that p up to the exponent. So this is the same thing as the natural log of x to the p power, right? So that's kind of a mini lesson for what I'm about to do here. I have a negative 1 in front, and I'm going to bring that up to this power. Now, it won't. Now, if I raise something to a negative power, it doesn't affect its symbol at all. It just flips the fraction. So it is okay for that negative 1 to be inside the absolute value sign rather than outside. Natural log of absolute value cosine x, and cosine x is raised to the negative 1 power. And if it's raised to the negative 1 power, that's natural log 1 over cosine x. And those of you familiar with trig, 1 over cosine x is just secant itself. So natural log of secant x. And I did not put my plus c in each one of these steps, and technically I should have. So we'll add plus c, and plus c to all my steps, and there we have it. I have just proven to you that the integral of tan x dx is the natural log secant x plus the constant. Alright, hope that was good for you.